Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share the details with you. Right. So there is an opportunity for manual testing and it's an insurance based domain. So if you are looking for the functional testing or manual testing jobs, so you can apply for these particular positions and there are multiple roles that are available. Test engineer, senior test engineer, test lead, business analyst, test manager. The location is Mumbai and you can share your resume to this email address. Okay. Then there is a requirement for SDITs with experience 4 to 10 years. The location is Gurgaon and it's a hybrid working model. The required skill set is Java, Python, or similar UI and API automation. Basic SQL knowledge is required. Good to have CI/CD, Docker, Kafka, microservices. And to apply, you can email your resume at this email address. Then there is a requirement in agile info-based company, so they are looking for Java developer, .NET developer, technical content writer, quality analyst, right? So these are the openings and these are the various employee based advantages that you would get in the company, and this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there is a requirement for automation test engineer. The work location is Belapur, Mumbai, and the interview location is Andheri East. Face-to-face interview you can go for. Interview date is on 29th of March, that is Saturday. So if you are passionate about automation testing, if you know about test automation, Selenium, Java, you can go and be present in this walk-in drive. So they are looking for key requirements: 3+ years of experience as an automation test engineer, proficiency in test automation tools like Selenium, APM, Java, Python, experience in CI/CD pipelines, and agile methodologies. You need to send your updated resume to this email address, right? Then bsolver technology is currently hiring for the below profile senior QA automation engineer. Experience required is 5+ years. Skills required is develop and execute test plans and test cases based on software requirements. Utilize robot framework for automated testing and scripting in Python. Interested candidates, you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for Flutter developer as well as for QA engineer. 1.5+ years of experience is required. Requirements is experience in manual or automation testing. You can send your resume to this email address. Then Mulia is looking for skilled Python automation test engineers and senior automation testers with 3+ years of experience to join the team in Bangalore. And if you're ready to take on the challenges, you can share your profile with notice period at this email address. Then there is a requirement for software manual tester intern. So they are looking for someone who knows manual testing fundamentals and has got a knowledge of best practices, mandatory proficiency in Selenium, Java, and TestNG, and understanding of manual testing, SDLC. Location is remote. Internship duration would be 3 months, and certificate would be provided after completion. So this is the email address wherein you can apply. It's a work from home manual testing job which you can do right from home itself. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.